Here we are, folks. We're live again. Yay. Sorry it's that shaky. I'm putting on gloves. You concluded, the previous Periscope concluded triumphantly with the polar bears swim. Wait, are there bears swimming right now?
There are.
I should run to the sand berm right now and catch them really quick.
Really?
I might. I'm live.
I'm headed the other direction.
The toads are cold.
His toes are cold. These guys just are swimming.
Now I know what they can do when they say hypothermia.
Yeah.
To the toes. I can see why.
Wait, I gotta make sure everyone has everything here. I'm kind of like the default last man here. Make sure nobody forgets anything. Oh, we still have
You still have people in the water.
if you have people in the water, right?
Yeah. Go, go.
No, I'm warm.
Lena.
Yeah.
Stop, don't wait for me. Go. Go down and toilets.
No, I'm waiting for everybody.
I think I'm up to date.
Everyone's going to
Who going to Subway?
Dunkin' Donuts, yeah.
Okay, guys.
And Subway's still running. Subways are running good.
I was... Okay.
I'm off the other direction. I'm headed that way.
You're gonna head that way?
Get
Look at
French
this.
fries.
So we're
Hot
back.
French fries.
I'm live. I can't believe I'm live
Are you
again.
gonna go back to the water?
I'm not. I don't know. We got people in the water. You know what? I have to. I have to.
You have to.
I
You're
have
obligated.
to. I'm obligated.
not.
Yeah. So my default co-host is leaving me, which is fine. And hi from the beaches of Puerto Rico. Somebody just said. Yeah. So Marissa's gonna go right across the street. Wait. So we're gonna run. Hopefully my battery doesn't die this time. And we're gonna do the dramatic thing, and you know what? And I want to go over the berm, but I don't want to go over the berm, so I'm gonna retrace my steps here. The snow here is a couple of feet high. Yes, we have people swimming. So as a service to everyone since the last broadcast shut off, thanks for retweeting this. Since the last broadcast, the battery died. Hopefully the battery doesn't die again. So I'm gonna really burpee again. Okay, I'm like retracing our steps here. Okay. So we have people gonna go into the water. Did they just come out, or are they surfing in Puerto Rico? Very nice. So what it looks like down here. Okay. There's snow a couple of feet deep right here. I gotta get one more time. Okay. I think these guys are going in. Or did they already come out? Okay. Jonah is definitely jonesing. Okay, I'm getting right back down to the water here again. Hopefully my battery doesn't give out. I have to. Okay, my battery's holding strong. I'm gonna try to keep this phone warm here. Yeah, the waves down here are absolutely crazy. Gotta keep this phone warm. The wind, crazy. This is the shot I wanted before. Hello from Italy. Thanks for tuning in, Italy. Trying to keep my phone warm. Okay, so the last Periscope ended with polar bears in the water. And then, hello from Las Vegas. This is the ocean, baby. This is the ocean. And they went deep enough to get knocked down by these waves that are very strong right now, as you can see. I'm here on the water for you guys, everyone at home. Tuning in from all over the world. It's really cold. It's 25 degrees. It's 25 degrees, it's still snowing. Trying to keep my phone warm. Extreme scoping, baby. We're in Coney Island in Brooklyn. There's steeplechase parachute. The Warriors in the movie. And there's a perfect for surfing. Yes, look at this wind. This wind here is crazy. Thank you for sending me more vibes. We're gonna watch some polar bears swim momentarily here. They're getting ready. We have more polar bears. So what I did, it is extremely windy. But let me get out of the wind for everyone here. Woo, yeah. Look at these waves. That's why I wanted to get these. Look at these amazing waves here. I've never seen waves this strong down here before. Really big one. Is it for everyone at home? Luckily I have waterproof boots on, so I can actually go into the water about a few inches here. That was a little more than a few inches. So, Finland, it's tuning in. We're here in Coney Island. Whoa, this is something new. It's advancing. As you see, it's hitting the snow here. The tide is definitely coming up. And again, hopefully the phone doesn't die. I'm gonna try to keep this going for as long as possible. These guys are gonna go swimming. Yes, give them hearts, send them warm vibes. These guys are gonna go in. They're going in. They're going in, folks. These brave souls are going in. They're gonna do it. So, the tide is definitely coming up right now. Yeah, they were in for a record amount of time. They were in for almost 20 minutes, Jay. They were in for almost 20 minutes. And then in all that time I've been down, I've been trying to get the phone warm. I have plenty of reserve battery. And yeah, these are huge waves and the tide is coming in. This is crazy. Extreme scoping right here, baby. This is extreme scoping. This is extreme right here. Yeah, the waves are coming in. The waves are getting progressively, as the wind is really whipping right now. These guys are in, look at this huge wave. Oh my God. We're here in Coney Island, here in Brooklyn. Tell me where you're watching from. We have people from all over the world already tuned in. The Netherlands, thanks you. Respect from the Netherlands. Big shout out to everyone up there in Holland. Washington, D.C., in the house. Florida, where it's definitely much warmer than it is here. Thanks for tuning in. Rotterdam. Arizona, wearing gym shorts, in the house. Thanks for inviting your followers. I am in the sand, in very mushy sand, as close to the water as I could possibly be. Tahiti, in the house, where it's probably very, very warm right now. Gotta keep that phone warm. Whoa, these waves are huge. Holy cow. It is very nice weather here, whoa, in Coney Island. And I am literally, thanks for inviting your followers, Albany, New York. Sorry guys, you missed out on this storm. Finland, in the house. I am right on the water's edge, literally as close as you could possibly get here. Not the only one here, as you can see. Lots of people watching, lots of people enjoying the beautiful weather here, but we're looking out. We have the triumphant Coney Island polar bears. There was an earlier batch of polar bears in my last video that the battery died. They stayed in for like 20 minutes, 22 minutes. And that's that deep. The waves here are crazy. I'm already kind of jumped in because look, I got to really go backwards. Because look, I'm in the water. Hey. Gotta make sure my jeans don't freeze. That one came a little close. That one came close. It's taking in the snow. I've always wanted to see the ocean eat up the snow. My first time I can see this. The water is about 41 degrees. So, that last wave kind of almost did in my jeans. That was a close call. I'm gonna stay away. I might get close to the water. This is crazy. Whoa. Yeah, it's coming in right here. Yeah, these guys are hardcore. Keeping that phone warm so you hear me making that sound. And the birds don't care. The birds seem to just not care. In Puerto Rico, it's probably really nice and warm right now. Yeah, these are the polar bears, the island polar bears. A cold swimming organization. Man, I'm cold. Las Vegas, Nevada in the house, where it's probably very warm. Why am I at the beach? To watch these guys and to see this view like this. Are we really seeing this? So besides the Coney Island polar bears swimming, I don't know if, and these waves are, oh yeah, this is for everyone at home, warm, watching from all over the world. For you guys experience Coney Island here in the crazy winter, crazy snowstorm, officially a blizzard now. Look at this. That's New York right there. That's Brooklyn, baby. Brooklyn. Take your baby down here. I walk my baby in the blizzard right next to the ocean, baby. Right next to the ocean. Are they all Russian? No, they're from all over. And these guys just did a swim, and this kid's down here loving it. And then we got this crazy big sand berm here, and keep that phone warm. Welcome to New York. Can I write Letitia on this thing? I want to, but the snow here is really deep, and yeah, I gotta keep my hands warm as much as possible. Can't get them too wet. I can't get them wet. So watch out for a heart attack. Oh yeah. See, the kids are out here. It's not that bad. Swimmers. So we saw the Coney. We saw two best Coney Island polar bears swim. What I'm gonna do right now is retrace my steps again and get back to the steeplechase finish, jump in the boardwalk. I want to jump in, believe me, but it's too cold. Just a little too cold. Snow on the beach, baby. Snow on the beach. That's what it looks like. That's why I came down here, for everyone to experience this, to watch the polar bears swim. Gotta keep my phone warm so the battery doesn't crap out on me. Keep on giving me shout outs. Keep on telling me where you're watching from. And look at this. This is like frozen sand kind of stuff that I've never even. Oh yeah, they're putting on clothes. We gotta make sure nobody forgets anything. Everyone's heading back now. Oh yeah, 16 inches. I think we're gonna get up here in the city maybe 1.5 feet. I'm expecting now. All right, we're heading back, folks. We're heading back. We'll take one last look here. Atlanta in the house. Two people from Atlanta in the house. They're the Coney Island polar bears. They're a cold weather swimming organization. That's what they came out here to do. So it's crazy because the untouched snow doesn't last very long. Yeah, I know. Connecticut kind of got missed by it. We end up getting, here in the city, we ended up getting the jackpot amounts here. Staten Island got a lot of snow, which is not that far from here. But as you can see, here in Coney Island, we got a lot of snow, baby. We got a lot of snow. A whole lot of snow, baby. So we're trekking now back to, holy cow. This is a workout in itself, walking out here in the sand. I mean, on the beach here. Because as you see, yeah, supposed to go to West Babylon tomorrow. You know what? Give it until the afternoon. You'll be able to get out there. The snow's it's gonna stop snowing at around probably 5 in the morning. Well, no, about midnight. So everything might be cleared up by then. As the kids walk in the snow. Last subway out of Coney is 3:30. Okay. Watching on Apple TV looks great. Awesome. Thanks for that information. You know, just for that, we'll do a really nice pan here. People are walking their dog down here right now. There's that big sand berm. Now I'm all alone. It's crazy. All right, I gotta make it back to the boardwalk now. I could actually kind of run here. Oh my God, it's hard. Gotta keep that phone warm. I don't want to lose a signal for everyone. Unfortunately, when the polar bears were swimming before, the phone died out on me because it's so cold. The temperature now is just about, maybe about 22, 23 degrees, with the wind chill bringing it down to maybe like 18. But I have like a lot of layers on, like I came super prepared, so I'm actually kind of warm. This is where I almost break my neck. Trying to retrace everyone's steps here. The snow's so fast that you lose them, and then we have this. Hey there, tell me where you're watching from. Woo! There we go. Okay. Coming back. The UK in the house! Welcome to Coney Island. Woo! Give myself a break here. Look how high the snow is, it's crazy. It's for everyone who can't make it out. You're stuck inside right now. This is for you. Sorry about the wind. I just realized I don't have my headphones in. Okay. And you're more than welcome. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make our way back to the... There we go. You're more than welcome. Hey, where did the sand come from? Okay, we are back on the boardwalk. I think what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this time to get the headphones and deploy my headphones right now. So we cut down on the wind noise a little bit. You know what we're going to do? We're going to do this. Sorry about getting a little shaky. So I'm going to get really still in a second. We're going to go right here.